Ever thought about changing careers? Looking to start one in the field with opportunities to get hands-on with emerging technologies and plenty of room for growth? The material handling industry might be the right fit for you. Forklifts need technicians, and with advances like driverless vehicles and automation making their way into warehouses, it'll soon be more important than ever to be able to quickly and safely maintain and repair them. With internal combustion, diesel, and electric forklifts all needing specialized knowledge and new opportunities becoming available all the time, skilled technicians are in high demand. During their day, a forklift service technician can be expected to execute a wide range of tasks, including troubleshooting, maintenance, repair, customer service, and more. Technicians often work during regular business hours. As soon as they start their shift, they suit up in the appropriate safety gear, including coveralls and safety glasses. Then they start working on their maintenance list, a daily list of preventative maintenance tasks for machines both at the dealership and at clients' locations. Maintenance can be as simple as changing the oil or as complex as rewiring a truck's electrical system. Whatever the task, it's the technician's job to make sure the forklift is in perfect working condition before it goes back to the customer. A technician's most important job is conducting on-site repairs for customers. When a forklift breaks down, it means schedules are interrupted, deliveries are delayed, and the owner loses time and money. When a technician receives a call, their job is to go to the site, diagnose the problem, and make the repair as quickly and efficiently as possible. When a warehouse manager is worried about how their business could be impacted, a technician should deliver excellent customer service via the 3 C's: evaluate the complaint, explain the cause, and make the correction.
One of my favorite things about the forklift industry is, as a field technician, you're very much like your own boss. You get dispatched from your house in the morning, and you're your own service technician out in the field, visiting customers. It's really rewarding at the end of the day.
There are also many opportunities for career development and growth in the industry. Many of today's material handling business owners started out in the field as forklift technicians. It's a great way to learn the ins and outs of the industry. Knowing how your products work and what it takes to fix them is a critical part of running a material handling equipment distribution business.
You can get into becoming a customer service rep or a salesperson, work in the office, maybe possibly be a dispatcher, work your way up into service management or branch management, or even possibly become an owner. So I look at it that way. There's so many career opportunities in this industry other than just being a technician, but it's a great way to start.
An entry-level forklift service technician can expect to earn up to $35,000 per year. And as you progress in your field, experienced technicians can earn as much as $66,000 or more, depending on your area. Find out how you can jumpstart your career as an entry-level MSSC certified forklift technician. Visit msscusa.org today. This video was brought to you by the Material Handling Equipment Distributors Association, MHEDA, in partnership with the Manufacturing Skill Standards Council, MSSC, creating career pathways in material handling logistics.